And we are back from the point we finished earlier. I just continue and grab a few $1,000 and drop my items in the ship itself. So now first step will pay off the first mortgage fee. So pay selected mortgages. And courier gigs are here that I got paid. So pay selected fees. And we have 6,000 bucks left. So right now we're going for licenses and we'll buy 24-hour license for 5,000 bucks. That leaves us with 1,900 left. Now one of the important kiosks is this one, fuel floor use. In this kiosk you buy yourself power for your battery, you buy yourself fuel for your engines, nitrogen, and you buy yourself oxygen that you have on the ship. Right now, not a lot is missing, so the price of this will be extremely low. Later on, when you have a lot of batteries and stuff, it will become more expensive. So let me go on the ship. This is our ship, always docked on the bottom side of the station. And here are the airlocks and you can freely walk in. Now before we go, you saw some sparks here on the right. So let me check. You press L as Lima and this will open your visual overlays present. You have power where the conduit is. You can check also on the station how the power is connected. So these are the conduits in the walls connected to this battery over here. So over here is battery, switch, and then the power goes into the walls, and all the machinery needs to be connected to the power. As you see here, intakes. These intakes are fuel for your thrusters, basically. They need to have a cabling like here. Sorry about that. Cooler goes through the wall, is on the outside also, so it gets electricity in the middle part through the wall, and items like heater have power connection from the rear, so into the wall. You have pumps that get power from the middle part, but they need to go through the wall most of the time. You can right click on the battery and it will tell you how much time you have before it drains out. This may change depending on the situation. If I go to control panel of the heater and turn it off, for instance, and let's say control panel of the cooler, and left click is to turn it left, right click is to turn it right, put it on, my battery status should change, but also temperature in the room will slowly drop until we, as you see, the temperature is dropping right now. So I'll go control panel again and put it on auto. This, if it's on auto, it needs to be connected to the sensor. To access sensor, you click this one of these screws, and you get this input thingy. You click over here, and you get this line, and you can connect to thermostat. It's the best for a thermostat or other sensors, like I have CO2 alarm here. I have oxygen O2 alarm over here. There is nitrogen alarm, so it's good to have them connected. Now that I turn off the cooler, it's 2 hours and 14. Now let's go over here and just turn on the heater, which is already connected to the cooler, and let us see. This time goes down because the heater now is working and draining energy to heat up the space. You see we are on 21.73 Celsius right now. You can change the values of the of the stuff in your options. It's under general, and you can where is it here, Celsius or Kelvin. I use Celsius. You can also change date format and all that stuff in the options. Now the next view, visual overlay, as you saw, it's damage. You can see how damaged the items are. These one are like completely destroyed on the station, but we only care about our stuff that is on the ship. So let me right click on this floor, and it says here that it's quite damaged, almost half, but it's damaged. You see the green line over here? It's still usable. If I now right click on it, it will give me an option to restore. And to restore, you just click on it. He will take the tools that he needs, and he will start restoring the item. I'm repairing right now, and if I'm not mistaken, I should get some spaceship engineering. It's already I have skill in this, so I won't get the bonus on it. You see two lines down here, the bottom one that is jumping slowly, and the top one that is moving quicker for its jump. And let me see, it's repairing this one if I'm not mistaken, and it should go up to the maximum at some point. I think this one is being repaired. You restore the floor. He's restoring the floor. You can do this. You can order him automatically repairs of the ship. You go under rooster over here on the left, and just make sure you have restore parts enabled as it is like now. You can also enable open airlocks. That will come more problematic later on with the crew that you have. And you can click here on auto task. So now that he finished repairing this, he'll just automatically go and start repairing other parts of the ship. So see, he took the screwdriver. Sorry for autosave. He took the screwdriver and he's now repairing N2 can on the ship. And I'm training in civil engineering, combat engineering, construction, and mechanical engineering now while repairing that can. So I'll just speed up time now to max speed. So you will see how you can see also the repair is ×2. Okay, that was slightly unexpected. Should be going away. The proximity alarm, it's something we'll cover on later. Let me speed up a bit, and hopefully he gets a percent or something in the skill. These skills go up very slowly, but by disassembling ships and building your own ship and so on, you should be able to improve your skills and get to max efficiency, because now it's like ×2. If you have full skill and the best tools to work with them, it can get to up to 15, 20 or even 36 depending on the item you are repairing. He's repairing floor now, and I have the here spaceship engineering, so that's repairing with max speed that my tools are permitting. As you see on the welder, the charge is going down by usage, and we will need to get some battery charger, or let me slow down, some battery charger or another battery, depending on what we can afford basically. To cancel his repairing, you can click auto task here, and when he finishes repairing this one, he will just stop and stand, or you can click somewhere and he will stop repairing and doing that stuff. Now let me go to supplies again. Although we don't have much money, I want to show you a few things. So this is got soldering, got power drill, got angle grinder. Grinder replaces the hacksaw, a drill replaces the screwdriver, and so on. And we have here Halvson, Halvorson welder, and here we have battery chargers. We have battery charger for GOT and for Halvson, and then there are batteries down here. So let me just buy one of these battery charger for the red welder and additional battery like this, and accept. These items will now be in my inventory. If the item is too big, it will be placed here in the dragging option of the inventory. Let me go back on the ship and let me just show you how you install the charger. So we install the charger. As you see, from one side it has legs that where is accessible, and from the other side it has a power outlet. So I'll just put it here, connect it to the wall, and have it installed over here. Installation goes quite nicely right now, and we are done like this. Now we will right click on it and open inventory. It opens here battery charger, and since this battery charge is almost on half, you right click on the machinery and you get battery inventory of the welder here, and you just put this battery into charging. As you see, percentage goes up, so it's charging. And I can place this battery or here in the inventory of the welder, or just click on the welder and it will apply, and now it has 100% charge. Screwdriver and hacksaw don't need batteries. All the rest of the tools pretty much need batteries. The same is with soldering. Here, if I go inventory on this one, it still has 100% charge, but if it starts repairing conduit, let me show you. I'll click here, conduit restore. This charge will go down because he's soldering the power lines together. This is the basics of ship repairs. I think I cover it okay for now. We will go on the basic of undocking and going for the other ships. So we have nav station over here. This is our main piloting seat, so let's click use. And it opens this screen. You get crash course, so don't crash on this page. As you see, W is forward, S is back, A and D are strafing, and Q and E are turning around. And R stops turning the ship. So click over here. First, if we want anything, we need to switch to comms control. Go under local channel or dock info. And we need to, if we go here, it's like this. If we go local channel, we need to open channel to station, OKLG, like this, and request undocking clearance. The same would be if you go under docking, request clearance, you get here, request undocking clearance. You click here, and you cleared for takeoff, and now you need to release the clamps down here. It says that we are moving away, and so on. Here we are. The blue ship is always yours. You zoom out on this map, and these stars around, these are derelicts. And if you go further away, you see some other ships. Then there are some nav points around, and so on. The map gets very big if you want. You can speed up the zoom out. You can go to Venus and Jupiter, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So let us select one of the targets. Let's select this one. And as you see, the map moved directly to it. So I can switch over here to ship or target where the camera is. And the name over here, it's switching between my name and my serial number. So I can switch to not show anything, show just call sign, and show the name. I'll just use it as default. now that we selected the target, it shows us here the information we actually need. So I'll start turning towards it. So I'll press E and the ship starts turning, and I'm aiming for as close to 0 degrees from the ship that we are, and then W. Okay, as you see, the G is almost 3 Gs of acceleration, so let us lower the throttle on the engines, and now we are closer to 1 G, which is easier on our guy to as we are noticing slight pain from the heavy accelerations. So I accelerated to 231 meters per second, and in 4 minutes we'll be at that ship, and we'll go over docking and salvaging in the next video. Thank you, and that's it for today.